brown cheese redemption video coming up. So this is the lovely Malin here. She has told me, you're eating brown cheese wrong just like everyone else told you, and now you have to eat it the correct way. Oh, look here. Yep, all of it. I didn't have the pancake, so I had to go to Boon Priest, but it's cold, so now I have to ask our chefs at Rebel if they'll please warm it up for me.
So, if we lived in a perfect world today, I would have given you American pancakes. I would put brown cheese, Brunost, then I would put cottage cheese, and then I would put blueberries on top and honey.
Ooh.
Yes.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah, so we can yeah, it's okay with these ones for now.
For now.
For now.
That means I'm gonna eat brown cheese again, a third time at some point. Maybe a fourth time. Oh my gosh. Knäckebröd?
Knäckebröd, yes.
Yeah. See, everyone on TikTok was telling me I have to have the brown cheese with the knäckebröd.
Knäckebröd, that's correct. And I'm gonna make it a special one for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so ready. Are Americans into butter?
I don't know, are you?
Is butter fattening? Yes.
I know,
Because if it has calories or cholesterol, it's gonna be good for Americans. Brelat?
Brelat.
Okay.
We use it on everything.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm really getting the whole brown cheese treatment right now. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Well, I can tell you, this is already a huge difference from the brown cheese that I ate in my apartment. Look at that. Oh, it's steaming, it's hot, it's ready. Also, wait, what kind of brown cheese was that?
This is like...
What's the name? Because I got the wrong kind the last time.
Tina. Wait, give me 2 seconds.
Okay. Is this the one?
Yes.
The flittermisost?
Yeah, flittermisost.
Oh,
This is lys och mild. This is the best.
Okay.
Yes. No, wait, I'm gonna start with the... I don't know if all of other Norwegians drop the first slices, but I do for some reason.
Oh, it's not good?
It is good. It's just me being picky.
All right, look at that. Well, we're going to find out. Well, they'll answer. They will answer in the comments if they do that as well.
I don't think I'm the only one.
No, you can't be the only weird Norwegian.
No. True.
Oh my gosh, this is a lot of brown cheese. This is more brown cheese than I've ever had because I've only ever had it once and I didn't have that much. Cottage cheese now.
I'm gonna put it on really nicely.
It's a lot of cottage cheese too.
Because normally
oh
I would have a thicker pancake and a smaller one. So.
Okay. Now we got blueberries.
Yum yum yum.
Blåbär.
Blåbär, correct. And then
Honey.
honey. This is very soft, so I have to be careful. Ooh.
That already looks better than what I was having.
Exactly. Then here's your cutlery.
Let's see. See if it's any better. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh.
That's a big bite.
Is it?
Oh, the moment of truth.
That's not bad.
No.
Whoa.
Why am I not surprised?
Oh my gosh. That is way better now.
I know.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's all right. That's good. That is actually good. That one was good, but I just took one bite because Malin has something else. She has more for me. So now this one is going to be, what is that called?
Polarbröd.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then butter.
Yeah.
The best brelat.
Okay.
Haters gonna hate.
Which side do you put the butter on? We're putting it on this side, but maybe some people put it on the other side. I don't know. But we're going to go with this one. Oh, yeah, this is the one.
Syltetøy. Jordbærsyltetøy.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna be very... Put a heart in there.
Hey.
And when you taste it, make sure you taste everything.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
J'en donne un en cuisine parce qu'elle veut commencer à faire mariner. Donc une boîte.
That's good too.
Yeah?
Il n'y a pas de boîte.
Yeah.
Ouais, mais
I could totally see eating this now.
Ouais,
Before I was like,
non, mais dans un carton.
but now.
Il n'y a pas de carton.
Mm-mm-mm.
Mis sans carton.
Mmm.
Comment ça, c'est mis sans carton?
Well, now it's 2 for 2. Now I'm starting to like it. And Malin here, she said she doesn't like when people, she doesn't tolerate when people say they don't like brown cheese.
Exactly.
'Cause it's
Let
good.
me convince you, and then I don't know, maybe you'll change your mind.
Okay. Now it's the knäckebröd.
Knäckebröd, and of course we put some butter.
Okay.
Still brället.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna hate. Don't care. And then brown cheese. It's starting to melt a little bit.
Ooh.
And then there's a surprise.
What's the surprise?
A slice of the apple.
Oh, someone in the comments said something about apples too.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Okay, so
they-
it's not a...
No, they said these are all the ways to eat it. All the ways I
Perfect.
wasn't eating it. This is the ways. There we go.
One slice.
Oh my gosh.
Ta-da!
Brown cheese number today.
Yes.
Okay. Knäckebröd is unlike anything I've ever had, so it's really gonna be interesting. It's really crunchy.
Yeah.
Obviously.
On n'a pas le...
No, brown cheese isn't so bad.
No.
It's like, okay, one of the bartenders here, one of my bartenders here at Rebel, Serena, she said that you can't eat brown cheese by itself. It's like making a cocktail. You may not like vodka by itself or gin by itself, but when you put it in your shaker tin, you shake it up, and you make a cocktail, all of a sudden it's good. Because now I'm a believer. Okay, so those were the three favorite ones of Malin.
Yes.
But there is a fourth one.
Because I want to try brown cheese on this little thingy. Västlandslefse.
Okay,
Yes, I'm very excited because I have no idea what this is.
let's do it.
Yes.
This is a full remix.
Yes.
She's never really done this before, but she's trying it now.
It's very exciting.
Oh my gosh.
So there's already some cinnamon and something else in there. So I'm going to drop the butter and then I'm just going to put the brown cheese directly in there.
Okay.
And I think we're just going to try it like this.
Oh, let's do it. Oh, just okay.
I think, because I think it's
You think it's good enough?
yeah, I think.
Okay.
Wait,
here.
I'm going to,
Let's see here. Try it together. Okay.
yeah.
And two today. Oh, that's good. That was really good. Oh my gosh. I like brown cheese now. She was not tolerating any brown cheese slander, and she said, "You're gonna love it." Feed it to
Mission
me.
accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
The first one you tried.
That one was really good. Out of 10, I would say 8.
8.
Yeah, I mean, out
That
of
is-
liking it, yeah, 8. Okay.
And that was with a thin pancake.
Mm-hmm.
And then you had the polarbröd.
That one was my favorite. I'm gonna say that one was a 10.
It was a 10.
Yeah, that's a 10 for sure.
Amazing.
Yeah. This one here was my least favorite, but I did like it. I'm gonna say it's a 6.5, 7.
Which is above the average.
Yeah.
Which is not
And
bad.
this one was really good too.
This one was really good. I was so
Yeah.
surprised as well.
Yeah, so that one will go 7.5.
Yeah, I was thinking 7, 8 actually.
Yeah, it
So-
was really good. Really good. So I have been convinced by Malin here,
I knew it. I'm not surprised.
and brown cheese is actually good. All right, now you guys know.